Mm. Okay, guys. I want everybody to make sure that their eyes are on me. Your hands are not on your Chromebooks. Okay. I would like for everybody to please stand up. Can you guys show me a right angle? Show me a right angle with your hands. Show me a right angle. You can either show me with your hands like how Carly's doing, with her elbows and her hands, or you can show me with your arms. Right angle. Very good. So, Victoria, what is a right angle? What is that equal to? 90 degrees. Very good. Now, everybody stand up again. What about a obtuse angle? Show me an obtuse angle either with your hands, well, probably with your arms. Okay? Good. Levi, what's an obtuse angle? Greater than 90 degrees. Very good. Yeah. Greater than 90 degrees. Very good. Now, I want you guys to stand up again. Show me an acute angle. Nice and cute little angle. Layla, what is an acute angle specifically? So an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. A right angle is 90 degrees. What would be an acute angle? What would be an acute angle? We have an obtuse angle greater than, right angle, 90 degrees. An acute would be, somebody help her out. An acute angle is what? Kylie? Very good. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Awesome job. Okay. Okay. Oh, and then what about right here? What would this be? A straight angle. Very good, guys. Straight angle. Very good, Maddie. That would be 180 degrees. Awesome. 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 So yesterday we started talking about measuring angles. Okay. We started looking at protractors and looking at the protractors that we will see in our assessments later next week. So, and we're learning how to measure angles. Everybody has this set up, right? Yeah. Okay. Raise your hand if you do not have, if you're not on this page. All right. Are you not on this page? We will work with you. I just need you to pay attention right now. So everybody should be on this page right here, where we are reviewing that a protractor has different parts. So what are the different parts of a protractor? What are the different parts of a protractor? Carly?
There's a forehand, there's a point, outer scale.
Very good. Can somebody come up and show for me the outer scale? Somebody come up for me, Brian, and show me the outer scale. I want to watch it. It's a little, yeah, that's fine. Thank you very much. So those numbers, okay, if these outer scale, very good, Brian. The outer scale right here, these numbers will show us when our angles are lined up at the origin, will show us a measurement of the angles that we have. They might be obtuse, they might be acute, we don't know. We're gonna be looking more at those. Can somebody please show me the baseline and the inner scale? Gage. The baseline. What would be the baseline?
Right here?
Okay. Why do you think that?
Because that's the outer.
So what's this going to be? These numbers right here?
The inner
scale. The inner scale. Very good. So right here, why don't you put an arrow right here? This is going to be the inner scale. Very good. And then the baseline is going to be the. Can somebody help them out? I like how you're thinking. Like, what are you thinking? Is it like this? Like this line? Yeah, the line right here. The line right here will be your baseline. The baseline where you need to line up the bottom part of your angle so you can make sure that you're measuring properly. And then can somebody come up, one more person, line up, come and show me where the origin or center point, same name, same thing. Where's the origin or center point? Kayla. Whoopsie. Very good. Right here, right in here is the origin or center point. That is where the axis of your angle will go. Okay, go ahead and click the next page. Go ahead and click the next page. All right. Figuring out how to use a protractor. We went over this yesterday. I want to see how you guys do with this. Okay? I want to see how you guys do. So hit the next page for me. We know when you hit the next page, that your baseline must be lined up. Their baseline must be lined up with one line of your angle. Okay. You need to make sure that the video, when I go over here, you show me too. Okay. Yes, right. Braille. Yeah. So if it was a little bit more to the side, if the angle, you have to turn your protractor anyway. It doesn't matter which line you start off, you know, it doesn't matter which line you use as your baseline. You need to make sure that this baseline of your protractor is lined up to one of the parts of the center point. And so one line needs to be lined up on the baseline. Doesn't matter if this one or this one. Yes.
What is that angle?
Why would it be an acute angle?
Because it's less.
You would be absolutely correct. It would be less than 90 degrees, and it would be an acute angle. Very good. Very good. Okay, what I want you guys to do right now is to click until you see go. Okay? And you're going to click go. Go ahead and do that. The next set of 10 questions are going to ask you. We're going to do the first couple together. Okay? Using the laptops right now is an excellent way to get prepared for, you know, what you're going to be expected to do on future assessments and future learning too. So we need to be able to use these, and then we're also going to be using protractors, handheld protractors, with some more practice. Yes, Gage.
Is basically like the inner and the outer numbers like this off, 180 on the right, like off. Here's on the right and 180 on the other. Right. Is left.
Yeah, these two are flip-flop. As you guys can see, what Gage pointed out, there are in the inner and outer scale of the protractor. You see how they're flip-flop? On one side, there's 130 and 50, and the other side, there's 130, 50, and 50. Whichever way your angle opens up to, you can see if it's greater than or less than 90 degrees, and you can decide. Does it make most sense for my angle to be at 130 or 50? Is it acute or obtuse, or is it right? They're not equal. They're not equal. But you need to understand that 180 and 1 and 0 are equal because that's a straight line. But I need you guys to do something for me first. I need you to pay attention. So this is a right angle. How many degrees is it? Be thinking about this. If you need to use a protractor, which you will, use the protractor, and I want you to go ahead, okay, and think about it, and then raise your hand when you know the answer to this question. What would you do to answer this question? What would you do in order to measure this angle on this protractor? What do you think you would do? I'm gonna see how you guys do, and then I'm gonna help you out. How could you, maneuver your angles? What would you guys do? I want to see how you can move it. I know. I want you to kind of look at it and see how you move it. Okay, so this is good. Just Kylie. In just a second. Can you wait? Okay, thank you. What you'll want to do, guys, move it. I'm glad that you guys asked. Move your protractor. The angle itself is not going to move. Okay, the angle will not move because the angle is going to be stationary. You have to move the protractor. So the protractor will move. You see, if you click the protractor, you see how it moves? You'll want to move the protractor in a way where the origin is lined up with the what? With the what? So the origin starts with the V. Vertex. The vertex. So the center point is lined up with the vertex. And then from there, you're able to move the protractor left and right. If you click and hold and you move it from left and right, you're able to move the protractor, seeing, okay, if I have one line on the baseline, where does my other line go, and what would be my angle? What would be my angle? If it's a right angle, what would be my angle? Renee? It's a right angle as well, and we must measure it. What do you think? No, I know. And acute, why? If it's a right angle, what is it? If it's a right, what are right? Right angles are 90 degrees. Acute, do it with me. Right angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is greater than, because obtuse, really big. Acute, nice and little. So, if we have a right angle here, that would be how much? 90 degrees. So you will want to go ahead and type in 90 degrees. And then you're going to click check, and then they give you a check mark, and then you can go on to the next one. We're going to do one more together. And then I'm going to allow you to do, then I want you guys to do the next 4 on your own. Okay, or you make them on your own. Okay, yes, Gage.